Well, I guess I'm done for the year, other than hauling shit. There ain't no way I'm going to get that other field of hay. It's raining off and on all night and all morning. Right now we're under a severe thunderstorm watch. Probably within the next half hour or so we're going to get hit with it. So I just got done unloading the wagons. I wanted to record some of that, but spitting rain and wind blowing and stuff. I mean, it just all of a sudden got pretty calm here. And you can see the tractor's a mess here now. All that light dead grass blowing around. So I say, it's been too hard to film anything. Plus it's greasy. My wagon slid over to the conveyor here. I'm surprised I didn't hook into it, but so that was a mess. So I guess I'm done. Yeah, probably from about here. That was them 2 loads of silage. This is what I chopped the other day. So I guess there ain't much more I can do. I mean, it was a little bit of a mess pulling up through here with a load, digging it up. Didn't clean up here the other day. Got a pile of mess here, but like I say, you can see the wagon was sliding around. Even the bagger was cutting in. So like I say, it ain't gonna get any drier. I'm not gonna rut up the field for what's there really. It's pretty much got rain for the next 2 or 3 days anyhow. It does have some nicer weather towards the end of the week, but it's gonna be cold temperatures that ain't gonna dry the ground out to be able to go on it. So I'm gonna call it. Start cleaning this stuff up maybe tomorrow. Ouch. Damn, missed that. That hurt. Ouch. Missed a step and just jammed my shoulder into the fender. That hurt. Just give me another excuse to go to the chiropractor, I guess. But I guess I'm gonna get this pulled out of here if I can. Now that the wagon's empty, I should be able to push it backwards. Go park it somewhere. But it is kind of dark out that way. We're gonna get something. It's been gusting 30-40 mile an hour all day here, which is nice. The door latch on the milk house door won't latch shut now. Hold the door shut, so that keeps blowing open. So I gotta fix that tomorrow. Oh God. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Hold on. Yeah, I got it out. Just too much damn twisting and turning around. Try to film it. Put some mud on the road for the township. Being Sunday, I won't hear about it. You get a little bit of rain, it'll wash off. Now sunshine's coming out. Yeah, I just looked at the radar, and we're right in the block of no rain. So like I say, it ain't gonna last much longer. I didn't expect to see sun. Right now, I wouldn't care if we got down into below freezing temperatures. They can freeze, but no snow. I like to be home when we're on that field. Bring this wagon over here. This is probably going to be a temporary permanent parking of it. It's not really where I want to park them for the winter, but the way everything else goes, it's probably where we're going to end up staying. And I say I just got just a little bit of a manure pile to haul right over here. I tell you, if it gets dry enough, I'd like to put it on this field. I can make some time, being a short distance to haul. Yeah, right there, I'm calling it the end of harvest 2020. Screw it. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you later.